Hey guys, and welcome to another episode. So, as you can see from the title, I have bought another car. It has definitely a few things wrong with it, and we'll get into that on probably the next video when we go through and try to diagnose what's wrong here and there and everything else. But, long story short, I've bought another E91 BMW, the estate, or touring, as you want to call it, and it is going to replace my 320D estate touring. Mainly because my 320, it's a nice car, but I don't know, I don't feel like I've connected enough with it like I did with my 323 Ci I had before, and obviously the Supra. Yes, and I know I have just bought another project car and I haven't finished the Supra yet, but I have got a lot of work done on the Supra behind the scenes, and I have yet to finish editing that video out, so do not hold that against me. It is coming soon. Anyway, so it's been a very long day, to say the least. So I went to go check out the car. It needs repairs, which is just plain and obvious. That's why it was sold as spares and repairs. That's why it's cheap as what it was. So there are a few things that need sorting out on it, and like I said, we'll get into another video. But today was a day of it. So I went to go and obviously check out the car. I got a tow truck to come and everything else, and on the way there the tow truck broke down and it had to get towed away. So I had to then ring around and try to find another tow truck that wasn't going to rip me off to go and get this car moved the same day. Eventually, another tow truck came, we got it loaded on. That was a mission and a half on its own, and getting it unloaded was hard as well. You'll see why in the next video, because there are some suspension related problems as well. So, yeah. And on top of that, my 320D has decided it's going to start handling very weird all of a sudden. It's very like wishy, floaty. So something's gone wrong there the day I've gone to go buy another one. Luck would have it. And then Catherine was driving her 320D, and she was parked at the local council dump, busy clearing out some odds and ends from the house. And someone left their car neutral and had rolled into hers and bumped it. Now, there's no damage to Catherine's car. It was literally like a 1 mile an hour bump. I say no damage, but you can kind of see like a little mark where like the number plate touched it on each corner. But again, it's one of those things not really worth getting the insurance involved and all that other jazz, and it's one of those where it's just not worth it. So it's been a day of just car related issues and things, so I'm glad it's late enough now to where this day is considered done and we don't need to deal with this anymore. Now, I think we should go check out the car a little, show you guys around. It's actually a really well spec'd car. I was quite surprised at the spec and the package that it has in it. Some weird things I never knew the BMWs had, so let's go check it out. Right, starting off, it's got a very interesting colour. Monaco blue. It also has auto lights, auto wipers, a heated leather interior, iDrive system. It's kind of cool, even though it's outdated, but oh well, it's kind of cool. Never had one of those SOS buttons before. That's interesting. Also some upgraded sound system. The rear as well. There. And blinds. Like full-on blinds that go up and hook in place and shade the windows out. And speakers on the roof. Because that's a BMW thing. Get some quiet from the neighborhood. So yeah, that's some of the spec of this car. It's actually really nice. I don't know whether I mentioned, but it is a 325i, so a nice 210-ish horsepower, which is going to be really nice with the manual gearbox for all the purists out there. I know, right? Crazy. All these darn automatics. Automatic Supras sitting in the drive there. Anyway, I digress. I am actually rather happy about this car. I couldn't, like I say, the spec and everything that it has, I wouldn't been able to have like got it for near on this price, or even like I'd say a fixed version of this would cost about 4 times as more than I paid for it right now. And I think I got a really good deal on the car. If the things I need to fix are as minor as I think they are, and they were described and I had a look at the car, etc. But again, we'll cover that in the next video, or else this is going to run over into a very long diagnostic video, and I don't think that's what you guys want to see. You want to kind of short to, you know, the point without me rambling, but this is pretty much a me rambling video. So, the car has a really good manual gearbox, the clutch feels good, like the engagement, you know, as far as I could feel with, you know, not being able to turn the engine over. Yeah, that's another of the problems, the intake manifolds back there, lurking, so, yay. Yeah, the battery's flat as well. I wanted to check the codes and everything, but the battery's dead flat. I've got it on charge now. It's a newish battery. It's only like, I'd say, a year max old, but I don't know if it's been damaged from being left to sit for the last 3 months and just run dead. So I'll see whether the charger can bring it back to life, and whether we can start getting the diagnostic scanner on. We can go through the codes in the next episode, and we can try and see what the actual problems are with this car. Obviously, I'm expecting some errors relating to the intake being MIA from the engine bay, so yeah. But yeah, we'll see what other errors pop up. There's also some other parts that came with the car. It came with some roof racks, a spare steering wheel, which is in really, really good condition. I might be able to sell that, you know, recoup some money towards the rebuild of the car. Excuse me. Yeah, it's really nice, I won't lie. I'm kind of stoked to have a car with leather seats again. I miss it. Like, my 323 had heated leather seats. It was an automatic. I won't lie, I did want an automatic for the daily driver, because sitting in traffic is just the bane of my existence. But the clutch on this car is, like I say, the feel of it feels really good compared to my 320D. The 320D clutch is a bit on mine. Catherine's car's got like a brand new dual mass flywheel and clutch I replaced last year, so it feels fantastic as well. But mine, again, I didn't feel like throwing the money at it if I'm planning on getting rid of the car. So again, this is hopefully going to be a quick turnaround, because I would like this to be my new daily driver, like, soonish. The Supra, yes, there is work done on the Supra. Like I said, again, please don't hold it against me. There's work done on the Supra. A video is coming. I know I've been really bad with getting updates out on the Supra. It's just that some work has been taking very long with that. So it's coming. It's coming. I know. I'm sitting in another project car while talking about finishing the first one that's been in parts for a year already. And as you've already seen, I don't know what you can see, but the headlights and the fenders are off the Supra again. Yeah, they're off again. Doing more work on the good old Supra. Anyway, this is not a Supra video. This is about the new BMW that I'm, again, really stoked to have. I'm gonna stop rambling now. So yes, hopefully I will shoot the diagnostic video in the next coming days, and I can start ordering some parts, and you guys can come along for the rebuild if you want to. Hit the little subscribe button, you know. I never really ask you guys to subscribe. I kind of just put up a banner, but I'm kind of asking if you want to see what I'm up to with the BMW and the Supra when I eventually put the video out, you know. Subscribe. It'll, you know, keep you up to date. Hit the little bell. I don't put out videos that often, so it's not like you're gonna get pestered a lot. You know, I don't post a lot of rubbish videos. Sometimes, you know, sometimes I post videos about squeaky suspensions on BMWs, but you know. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. You're awesome, and have a fantastic day. I will see you next time. Ciao.